Good morning, students. Today I am having with you here a practical of class 11th, a general survey to plant kingdom. In this general survey to plant kingdom, we will have different specimens of plant kingdom. Here I would like to show you the slide of blue-green algae, and that blue-green algae is cyanobacteria. With this microscope, I will be rather able to show you this slide of blue-green algae. Actually, this blue-green algae is cyanobacteria is oscillatoria, and you can see these are the filaments of oscillatoria, and these are cells. It is multicellular, but in these cells you cannot see the nucleus because it is a prokaryote, right? So this is a blue-green algae, cyanobacteria oscillatoria. Now I am showing you some another specimens. See, I am showing you a fungus, and this fungus is agaricus. This is agaricus, and this agaricus belong to Basidiomycetes. It belongs to Basidiomycetes. This is pileus, this is stipe, and these are rhizoid-like structure. In this pileus, basidiospores are formed. So this fungus is mushroom or agaricus. Lichen is in the form of crust. It grows on the surface of trees, rocks in the form of crust. So this is a lichen, again combination of algae and fungi. Now this is a bryophyte moss plant. This is in the form of a carpet. In lawn etc. you must be watching it, and all these are individual plants. इसमें सब ये individual plants you must be observing. If I show you by separating, so you can see these are different individual plants. अलग अलग ये plants हैं. These are the moss plants. These are gametophyte. During the process of reproduction on these gametophyte, sporophytes develop, and this is the specimen which is showing the sporophyte. These sporophytes, capsule, this is capsule, 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 and these long structures are seta, and all this is gametophyte. So on gametophyte, sporophytes are growing. I am showing you some more bryophytes, and these are liverworts. Liverworts, it is Marchantia. This is thallus, and on this thallus, this stalk-like structure is archigoniophore, and this is the body which is having archigonia on lower side. This is, it means it is female thallus. It is female Marchantia. This one is the thallus. This one is the thallus of male Marchantia. This is thallus. This is antheridiophore, and this is the body. On the lower side of the body, antheridia are attached. So it is male thallus, and it is female thallus. These two, male Marchantia and female Marchantia. This is female Marchantia. After that, I would like to show you a fern. This fern is Dryopteris. These leaf-like structures are sporophylls, and on the undersurface of sporophylls, sporangia are attached. I am showing you the live specimen of ferns. These leaves are of fern. In the this middle axis is rachis. This is rachis. It is a compound leaf. You can see that leaflets are divided into pieces, pinna. On the under surface, here, sporangia develop. Sporangia are developed. It is young leaf, so here sporangia or sorus are not visible, but on maturity, sporangia will develop. Pteridophyte. Now I would like to show you a gymnosperm. This is Pinus. You can see the needle-shaped leaves of Pinus. These are the leaves of Pinus. Pinus reproduce with the help of cones or strobilus. Cones are different, male and female. This is the bunch of female cones. Female cones of Pinus. Bunch of female cones. I am showing you some, this is the bunch of male cones. Sorry for that. Then these are female cones. These are female cones. And individual structure, these are megasporophyll. And on megasporophyll, megasporangia are attached. I can show you the mark or scar where megasporophyll was there, but now वो सब इसमें से detach हो गए हैं. Here, just show this point. You can see these two marks are there. These scars show that here ovules were attached. Ovules change into seed and those seeds disperse. So this is female cone. Thank you very much.